Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are back with one more question that is asked in CSAT 2024 and it is of the average topic. The question is, consider the following: weight of 6 boys is equal to the weight of 7 girls, equal to the weight of 3 men, equal to the weight of 4 women. This is given. Okay. If the average weight of the woman is 63 kg, now they are not saying that the weight of a single woman is 63 kg, but the average of all the women is 63 kg. So the total weight of women is going to be, if we have 4 women, it is going to be 4 into 63 kg, right? And this total weight of 4 women is equal to the total weight of 3 men, 7 girls, and 6 boys. But what we have been asked, if the average weight of the woman is 63 kg, what is the average weight of the boys? So we are asked the average weight of the boys and we are given the weight of the woman. So we have to only discuss only these two, boys and women. We do not bother about this one. तो अब क्या होगा, टोटल वेट ऑफ 6 बॉयज कितना हो जाएगा, वो सेम हो जाएगा टोटल वेट ऑफ 4 वुमेन, और कितना होगा 4 इंटू 63 kg. तो एवरेज वेट ऑफ 1 बॉय कितना हो जाएगा, 4 इंटू 63/6 kg. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 3, 21, 21 to the, it's going to be 42 kg. And that is my answer. Let's move on to our practice question. It is also similar to this one. The question is, the combined weight of 4 boys is the same as the combined weight of 3 girls, which is also equal to the combined weight of 2 men and also equal to the combined weight of 6 women. If the average weight of the girls is 50 kg, what is the average weight of the women? So we have to do this question, and you can find out the answer on our Telegram link, and the answer will be posted in the group. Thank you.